Kingfisher beaks unlock a bullet train that cuts drag and hum, proving nature can truly rewrite speed. The microscopic patterns of shark skin inspire antibacterial hospital surfaces that repel microbes with microtextures. The humble burdock burrs spark Velcro, turning a tiny hook into a global fastening revolution. Gecko feet reveal reusable adhesives for robotics and manufacturing, enabling strong yet clean grips. The lotus effect powers self-cleaning coatings, termite mounds teach passive cooling, owl flight guides quieter machines, Namib beetle harvests water shaping a sustainable future.